Hello student, how are you? Welcome to this class. So we have studied in first part of third number chapter celebrating our diversity. Diversity means this is the unity in diversity, and this is the transformation of Indian culture. It is transferred to each person. So here we are discussing a different type of festival presented by the house. So Ganesh Chaturthi presented by Hansraj House, Navratri presented by the Anand House, then Eid al Fitr presented by Vivekananda House, Onam, the Carnival of Kerala presented by Gandhi House. We have also discussed in this honor the legend of King Mahabali. Then Navroz we'll discuss today. Student, here the celebrating our diversity means this is only the transformation of culture or transforming culture only, exchanging the culture, the ritual system. So here we will discuss the Navraz presentation by Sarojini House today. The second part of the third number chapter of SST. The house captain narrated Jamshed-e Navraz is a Parsi New Year. Yes, Jamshed-e Navraz is a Parsi New Year. It is celebrated on the first day of the first month of uh, Sehensai calendar, which is followed by followers of the Zoroastrian faith. Student, here Zoroastrian faith means the Zoroastrian is a religion, and they have the faith also, just like a Hindu is a religion and it has the faith, it has the belief, and the beliefs and faith followed by the Hindu followers and the Hindu religious people. So like this, Zoroastrian faith means this is the faith and belief of the Zoroastrian religion and followed by its followers. The festival celebrated rejuvenation and birth. Rejuvenation and birth means here Punarjanm and the Nirvan Prapti, like these words are the festival of celebration for the rejuvenation and rebirth. Parsis clean and decorated their homes with rangolis made of jasmine and rose flower. Student, here Parsis clean and decorated during the celebration of Navroz with rangolis made of jasmine flower and rose flower. Okay. On Navroz, the Parsis offer their prayer in synagogues, the fire temple. Synagogues means the fire temple. They wish Sal Mubarak to each other and exchange gift. In this celebration, the uh, festival organized in the good way, and the Parsis they wish Sal Mubarak to each other by exchanging gift. The special feast on Navroz included a special feast. Definitely, if they are celebrating the festivals, so there would be special feast in the celebration. Everywhere we are looking, if we are making organizing any such type of celebration, there we are also organizing the feast. So the special feast on Navroz include faluda, saffron pulao, and ravo made of semolina and dates. Fresh fruits, dried fruits, and a variety of sweets are also served in the special feast during the celebration of Navroz of Parsi. So here, do you know? You just look. Parsis are a small religious community of India. They arrived in Gujarat region from Iran. A major part of Parsi population live in Mumbai. They are the followers of Iranian prophet Zoroaster. The holy book of the Parsis is Zendavasta. So, student, the Parsis were they just came from Iran side to Gujarat, and the more number of peoples are living in Mumbai, and they are believer of the prophet Zoroaster and religious Zoroaster religious. They are holy means Zoroastrian. Its holy book is Chandavesta, like in Hindu Bhagavad Gita, in Sikh religion Guru Granth, and in Muslim Quran, then in Christian Bible, like this. Then second, do you know Parsis go to the synagogues thrice on hours to worship Khurshid and Meher to the divine being who reside over the preside over the sun and the moon respectively. Here the synagogues thrice on hours to worship Khurshid and the Meher, two divine being who resided over the as sun and moon in the Navraj. So student, here we will discuss the marriage celebration. Also, we have finished Navraj by Parsis, and this celebration presented by Sarojini House. Now come to the marriage celebration presented by Nehru House. The house captain narrated India is a land of diverse culture and religion. Each region or community, each region and community has its own unique way of celebrating wedding. Different wedding ritual are followed in a different part of our country. Many traditions are common among different communities. A PowerPoint presented display wedding celebration in various culture on a big screen. Student, you have also seen and we are looking in our society, every community, every region and every religion that has or different type of there have different type of marriage celebration as their communities experience, as their communities tradition and religious tradition. They are organizing different way the wedding celebration or the celebration of weddings. Here the Nehru House presented through a PowerPoint presentation display wedding celebration in a various culture on a big screen, and just shows to the people about the different type of celebrating weddings in different communities, in different religion, in different region. This was the things. A fun-filled presentation showcased various rituals of a Hindu wedding like Mehendi. Okay, in Hindu, one of the examples of Hindu wedding, Mehendi, Sangeet, Barat, Kanyadan, Sindur, seven peras, and Bidai. These are the things we are just following during our weddings in our Hindu religion. So, like this, many religions have that they has and many religions have their own ritual, own tradition to celebrate the weddings. The audience loved the folk dances and songs that were sung at a different occasion also. Definitely, it was happening in the marriage reception. The audience, okay, songs are there, dances are there, many things are organizing them. In second, the second presentation showed a Sikh wedding. Sikh wedding means the Sikh religion. Anand Karas at a Gurudwara. The ceremony was presided over by the Bhaiji, a priest. Bhaiji, a priest. The hymns. Bhaiji is priest. The hymns were recited from the Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of Sikh. Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of Sikh religion. The bride and groom. The bride and groom. Bride means Kanya and groom means Barat wale. Bar. The bride and groom went around the Guru Granth Sahib 4 times. The ceremony was very beautiful. In Sikh religion, then come to now how the Christian weddings are going on. Christian wedding was conducted by a priest in a church. Priest means sannyasi and the sadhu santu people. Christian wedding was conducted by a priest in a church. The bride was wearing a beautiful white dresses and a white veils. You have seen the Christian marriage in church. Brides wearing a beautiful dress, white beautiful white dress and a white veils oroni. The groom was dressed in suit. The groom was dressed in a suit. The couple exchange rings and accept each other as husband and wife in the presence of family members and friends. The wedding ceremony was followed by receptions where the wedding cake was cut by the couple. Okay, wedding ceremony uh, during going on. The wedding ceremony was followed by receptions where the wedding cake was cut by the couple in church. The marriage rituals may differ, but the essence of all weddings is the union of a couple and bonding of the two families. Student, where we are just if we are going to uh, take a girl or we are going to marriage girls, then definitely here the relationship of two family, the bonding of two family will depend upon how the marriage celebration will good, and it is okay for husband and wife in a good way. The inter house celebration came to an end with a lot of appreciation for the student and teachers who had presented the best feature of Indian culture in a wonderful way. Student, here the inter-house celebration came to an end with a lot of appreciation of the student, for the students and teachers who had presented the best features of Indian culture in a wonderful way. This is the way we are just transforming culture to one another through celebrating the different type of festivals and marriage ceremonies like Navras, Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid al Fitr, Onam, Navratri, like this. This is the celebration. This is transforming the culture one to one, and we believe in diversity, unity in diversity. We live in university,